In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Whop account in 25. We'll take a comprehensive look at the step-by-step process, ensuring you can create your account without any hassle. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your favorite web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, launch it and head over to Whop's official website by typing in the address bar, whop.com. After the website loads up, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the home page. You'll notice a button that's quite prominent at the top right corner of the page, labeled either as Sign Up or Get Started. That's what you want to click to begin the registration process. Now that you're at the sign up page, you have a choice to make. You can either manually enter your email address if you prefer going through the traditional route, or you can opt for more streamlined methods by choosing to sign up using Google or Discord. If you choose one of these alternatives, just make sure you're logged into those accounts on your device to speed things up. No matter which option you choose, once that's settled, go ahead and hit the Continue button. Next, it's time to verify your email address, which is an essential step to secure your new Whop account. Quickly navigate to your email inbox, whether that's Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, or any other provider you use. Look for an email from Whop that contains either a verification link or a code. Clicking the link or entering the code if prompted will ensure that your email address is verified and ready to go. Following email verification, we'll move on to setting up your profile. Here you'll need to create a unique username, something that represents you. And if this step requires it, craft a strong password that's both memorable and secure. Remember, a strong password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to shield you from unauthorized access attempts. Lastly, before you jump into using your new Whop account, take a moment to review Whop's terms of service and privacy policy. It's important to understand what you're agreeing to as a user of the platform. Once you're ready, agree to these terms to complete your registration process. And there you have it. You're now equipped with a brand new Whop account, ready to explore and utilize all the exciting features it offers. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you next time.